In this problem, you will learn about the vector addition and how do you find the vector in terms of the components. So in this problem, you given the two vectors, a vector and b vector on a graph. First thing you need to know is what is the vector, and then you have to do the vector addition and find it out the magnitude. Let's do it. See, this is the vector a vector. And if I just look at this point, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Along the x-axis, it has three components. So I can write it down, a vector, this is a vector, as this has 3 units, negative 3 units. So this will be minus 3 I vector. And I is the unit vectors along x-axis. And along the y-axis, again I see this is negative 3. So this will be negative 3 and j vector. And j is the unit vector along the y-axis. Okay. Same way, how do you write the b vector? So you just have to find the coordinates to get the vector. B vector, first I need to go along the x-axis, which is negative 2. So this is negative 2 I vector, and then you have 4 unit along the along the y-axis. Remember, I and j are the unit vectors. Unit vectors along x and y-axis. Okay. Okay. Now, what I need to find it out, minus 5a vector plus 4b vector. Let's say that r vector. I'll just call r. This I'm just calling this as an r. Minus 5 a vector plus 4 b vector. Okay. So let's do this one. This is simple math now. Minus 5 a vector is negative 3 I minus 3 j vector, and plus 4, and b vector is minus 2 I plus 4 g vector. This becomes 15 I vector plus 15 j vector. Okay, and this one 4 times to minus 8 I plus 16 j vector. 15 minus 8 is 7. 7 I plus 15 plus 16 is 31 j vector. Remember, I'm just adding I component and I component. You cannot add I component and G component because I component is along x direction and the G component is along the y direction. So only you add I components with the I component. So you got 7 plus 31, and you need to find it out the magnitude of R vector. So this is R vector. How do you find the magnitude? So if you know this is along x-axis and this is along the y-axis, so how do you find the magnitude? So the way you find it out the magnitude is just 7 squared plus 31 squared. If you do your math correctly, then you will get 31.8